Greetings Earthlings, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a special treat for you, but first let me roll the intro and we'll get to that right away. Okay, now that we're back, let me bring on my special guest, Dozer.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Yeah, Dad. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, little buddy. So what are you doing?
Practicing for karaoke night. You know I sing like a bird.
I guess, but you know a buzzard is a bird too.
Not cool, Dad.
I know, I'm sorry. I couldn't resist. Anyway, the reason I called you is to let you know a few things about the RV.
Oh, thank God. I'll get my leash and food bowl.
Hold on, little buddy. The RV's not done yet. I just want to let you know a couple things as far as the progress of the RV at this point. So I went and took a look at the RV the other day, and there's quite a bit of work going on there, so they're doing a good job. But they're still dependent on the parts coming in, so they're at the mercy of the parts distributor. So they can't put them on until they actually arrive. So it's going to be a little while yet. Well, just because you were such a big help on the previous video that we shot, and because some of the subscribers were asking about when they were going to see Dozer again, I decided to include you on this video. So doesn't that make you feel good? I hope so.
Cool. Am I getting paid?
Yeah, and dog treats.
Aw, crap. We're missing all the best camping weather.
I know, but these things take time.
That's easy to say when you have a life expectancy of 80 plus years. Time is more important to me.
Oh, by the way, since our last video, I was able to get a much better price on the insurance that I have on the RV. Almost cut it in half.
And you're paying me in dog treats? Okay, congratulations. Well, thanks to those subscribers that recognize who the true talent of this channel is.
Okay, you can go back to practicing now.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next exciting episode of The Life of Dozer. Good night, good night. Parting is such sweet sorrow that I must say good night till it be morrow.
That little turd stole my line. And apparently he's been reading Shakespeare. I don't know. Well, at any rate, I can't keep up with what he's doing. But as far as you and I are concerned, remember, when camping, take only photos, leave only footprints. See you next time.